Hi, my name is Anju, and today we're going to be doing the Three Sisters Garden. Let's get to it! Guys, today we're going to be doing the Three Sisters Garden, but I already have two sisters. Why should I want more? And this is how the American Indians used to grow their beans, pole beans, corn, and pumpkins. Instead of pumpkins, you can use squash, but we're using pumpkins this year. Okay, guys, so we got a whole new bed made. It's filled with compost, and we're gonna be putting one more bucket of compost on it. Then we can start the planting. Yeah. Right in the center. No! I'm making a mound. So you wanna just make it like this, then flatten the top, just like that. Boom, 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 a boom. So I put 4 little divots in the mound for these. So if you want, you can pre-soak the corn, so it's already soaked. So just grab 2, 1, 2, put them in, then grab for another 2. Put them in the next one. 1, 2. And another 2. 1, 2. 1. 2. So I put 2 in case one doesn't grow, but the other one will still grow. Cover them up, cover them up. Okay, guys, so we planted the corn, so now it's all ready to get watered, then grow big. So if you like my video, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.